So we are about to discuss. Yesterday we discussed about financing decisions. So next, I think we need to start from dividend decisions. Okay, so fine. Okay, fine, guys. Now on the material anything, I think I need to scan. We need to scan. Okay, better we go for this human capital formation. Okay. So human capital formation, we need to discuss from. Okay, so sources of human capital formation. Fine. Shall we continue? So what are the sources? Here there are some sources. First one is what we need to do. We need to spend on our education. Yes or no? Yes. So we need to
Yes, sir.
spend. How can we do expenditure like school fee, college fee, book fee? So whatever we are doing, that is for what expenditure on education. Next, it is about expenditure on health. So that also one of the second sources of human capital. Third one is on the job training. So we will discuss one by one in detail. So just overview: expenditure on migration, then expenditure on information. So we are doing this much expenses to develop human capital formation. The first sources is what education. Okay. So for example, nothing we will get at free of cost. We need to spend some money. So first, the proper utility of manpower depends on system of education and training of people. Okay, fine. So there is a huge difference between the educated people and uneducated people. Yeah, fine. So fine. So its accumulate its accumulation is quite important for economic growth of country. Yes or no? So this is expenditure on education. Okay, have you all seen this Chandrayaan 1? Milesami Annadurai. Have you heard about that, sir? Milesami Annadurai. Chandrayaan 1 உடைய director and Chandrayaan 2 director Shivam. So, guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
Chandrayaan
sir.
is what is Chandrayaan, Mr. Pravi? சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். What is Chandrayaan, man?
He's human.
Huh? What is Chandrayaan?
I don't know.
உங்ககிட்ட போய் நம்ம சந்திரயான் டைரக்டர் பத்தி எல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோம் பாத்தீங்களா? So here, who knows Chandrayaan? Miss Kavishri.
It's a rockport name.
Kavishri,
Sir,
what is Chandrayaan, ma?
sir, it is an design that is entered to the space for researching about the moon.
Moona.
Yes,
Moona.
sir.
Really? Moona Masa.
Moon only, sir.
Sir.
ம் உங்களையெல்லாம் நம்பி நானும் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்றேன் பாருங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் ஐ ஷுட் நோ வெதர் யூ பீப்புள்
Sir.
நோ நோ. சொல்லுங்க.
Chandrayaan is also called as moon only, no, sir.
பேர்லயே இருக்குது.
அதான் சார்.
Then you people are blinking. I just asked whether is it a moon or Mars, and you people are saying
Sir.
blinking.
Sir, I said moon, sir.
நீங்க சொன்னீங்க. இதுல இன்னும் சில பேர் சந்திரயான்னா என்னது ஏதாவது they will think something else. சாப்பிட்ற ஐட்டான்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So what is Chandrayaan? Who actually, and the Chandrayaan is a project to do research in moon. Okay, Chandrayaan 2 வந்து we all seen the moon front view இல்லையா, back view நம்ம பார்த்ததே இல்லை. We don't have opportunity to what is the see. Okay, so Chandrayaan 2 தான் அதோட இனிஷியேட்டிவ்னஸ். இந்த வேர்ல்டு யாருமே அந்த ரிஸ்க் எடுத்தது கிடையாது. ஓகே, no one went back behind the moon, how it looks, பேக் சைட் ஆஃப் த மூன் வந்து எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தது கிடையாது. ஸோ அது Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 1 வந்து பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா மயில்சாமி அண்ணாதுரை. ஸோ இஸ் ஃப்ரம் கோயம்புத்தூர். ஓகே, ஸோ ரிசைட்ஸ் நம்ம வீட்டில் இருந்து ஒரு 20 kilometers டிஸ்டன்ஸில் there is a village. ஓகே, in that village he born, he got educated in government school. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு லைக் now we have a government school இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூல்ல he got completed his I can see Mailasami and Nadurai. Okay. So he is Mailasami and Nadurai. Okay. பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா எங்க படிச்சிருக்காரு. ஓகே, ஸோ he studied. என்ன படிச்சிருக்காருங்கிறது வேண்டாம். ஆக்சுவலி யூஸ் ஃப்ரம் வாட் ஐ வாண்ட் டு ஷேர். யூ கேன் சி இப்போ கோயம்புத்தூர் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் எங்க கிணத்துக்கடவுங்கிற ஒரு டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட், ஒரு கிராமத்துல he did his schooling in a government school. ஓகே, கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூல் தான் இவருக்கு மெயின் ஒரு பேஸா இருந்தது. தென் he became a director of this Chandrayaan. ஓகே, மயில்சாமி அந்த he got பத்மஸ்ரீ award also, and sorry, he is the director, means what, the team leader for Chandrayaan 1. Okay, then Chandrayaan 2 leader வந்து director வந்து சிவம். He is from Kanyakumari. So so he is okay, so he is the Chandrayaan 2's director, whom we will call them as Shivam Solita. Okay, he is from Kanyakumari, and also he got educated in what government school la வந்து ஒரு படிப்பு ஆரம்பிச்சவர். Okay, so he headed that Chandrayaan 2. So what I want to share you in the sense, the expenditure what we made for education, they made our country proud. Yeah, yes or no? So decisions regarding investment, so it is accumulation quite important for economic growth of a country. Okay, even you can say Dr. Abdul Kalam sir, and yeah, so he studied in India, worked in India, and he invented a lot of things, and he dedicated to India, died in India. Fine. So decision regarding investment in physical capital is taken on the basis of one's knowledge in this regard. The entrepreneur possesses knowledge to calculate the expected rate of return to a range of investment, and rationally decides which one of the investment should be made. Physical capital form. ஐயோ மாறிச்சா wait here okay, fine. So sorry guys, so here, so the labor of one educated person is more than of uneducated person. Okay, ஒரே ஒரு படிச்சவர் வந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம், அநேக படிக்காதவங்களை காட்டிலும் he is more valuable, so which enable him to generate more income than the uneducated person. Economists have stressed the need for expanding educational opportunities in a nation as it accelerates the developing process. Okay, spending on education by individual is similar to spending on capital goods by a company. Individual invest in education to increase their future income and raise their living standard. Expenditure on education turns human being into human capital. Okay, so now what we are doing? Okay, so by purchasing of books, most of the time we will think why we need to spend money. Books நாம எதுக்கு வாங்கணும், அதாவது சீனியர்ஸ் கிட்ட இருந்து we can borrow money, borrow old book அந்த மாதிரிலாம் திங்க் பண்ணுவோம். But spending on books, spending on education, schools, degrees, okay, there is a most important asset. Do you remember Jyoti Reddy or a lady Namapati? We have discussed about a person, Jyoti Reddy from, I think, Andhra Pradesh. A poor girl who went to USA and now she is the entrepreneur in USA. Key Software Solutions. I spoke about her. Do you remember, guys? அது எங்க ஞாபகத்துக்கு இருக்க போகுது சார் எங்களுக்கு? Are you all there? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Audible.
Yes, sir.
Audible, sir.
So then and there, I need to check whether the people are there or not. Okay, fine. So what happened? This Jyoti Reddy, she went to computer class. She learned what computer knowledge she gained, and with that she started. That was a base for her to do a business. Okay, so here education contributes to economic growth because education confers higher earning capacity. Yeah, so when we study more, we will earn more. Okay, so it gives better social standing and pride. So pride in the sense, what social standing in the sense, in society we can be a good role model, and it will help us to that where we have educated person grow pride can enable one to make better choices in life. Okay, so educated person will think a lot and he will decide very what accurately. So it provides knowledge to understand the changes taking place in the society. Okay, so it also stimulate innovation, facilitate adaptation of new technology. Okay, for example, you can see, so the old persons, there are some people above 40 or 45, they don't know how to use even what a smartphones. Yeah, still now they will use this normal phone, the normal or display they will use this normal phone. Why? Because they know if they press green button they can answer the call, if they press red button they can disconnect the call. That only they know. But there are some people, okay, who are above 80 or even 70. The educated person, have you all seen, they will use smartphones. Okay, right? So when we have education, okay, we can able to adapt to the technology. So technology may changes. So when I was the very first time I have seen a mobile phone when I was doing my grade 11. Okay, that time that Reliance mobile phone, normal mobile phone was there. Okay, just this much in size. So so when we have knowledge, we can able to access to, we can able to adapt to new technology. But we don't have knowledge, we can't. Okay, but you can see the, okay, when I was doing 11, I have seen mobile. But there are some people, the elders, okay, those who are elders, they might be around 40 years or 45 years. After during the 45 years only, they might be seen mobile phone. So how they started adapting? Because educated people, all they got adapted, but uneducated people still they are using normal one. And educated people, they will always stimulate, means what, initiate new innovations. So these are all the importance of what, these are the first source of what, human capital formation, education. Okay, so educating people is the first source for human capital formation. Why? Because human resources, skilled manpower. Human capital is what, educated person and healthy person, we will call it as what, human capital formation. Next one is expenditure on health. The expenditure is a source of health expenditure is a source of human capital formation, as it directly increases the supply of healthy human force. Yes or no? For example, a healthy person will work more. Yeah. Yes. So when you are not feeling well, okay. So one very small example. Let me ask you. Let me say. So during your progress report, I will you will see the marks. Okay. So during examination, while distributing marks, I will ask you, why are you scoring very less mark? You will say, sir, I was I got fever at that time. I got stomach pain. I got headache. We will say some reasons. That is what, we are sick, right? We will say, sir, I am sick, so I am unable to study. Yes or no? சொல்லியிருக்கீங்களா எல்லாரும்?
Yes, sir.
ஒரே ஒரு ஆன்சர் வந்திருக்கு. மற்ற ஜீவன்கள்லாம் இங்கே தான் இருக்கீங்க.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. So you will be say, right, sir, due to illness, I didn't study well. I didn't write exam. Or else you will say, you will take absent for the exam even. So then you will get what? You will get very less mark, or else you will get absent. Or else even you will get 0. Okay, fine. So here, a healthy person only can able to get good marks. Okay, simultaneously in employment also, healthy person will work more. Okay, so if a person is not healthy, he is having so many issues like kidney issues, heart issues, lungs issues. Okay, how we will work? We will not give work. So we need to do some expenditure on health. That's why what happened, have you all seen in all the organization, they will give health insurance, accident insurance to the employees. Poor health and undernourished adversely affect the quality of manpower. A sick labor without access to medical facilities compelled to abstain from work, and there is a lot of loss of productivity. Therefore, expenditure on health is important to build and maintain productive labor force and to improve quality life of people in the society. Adequate food and proper nourishment to people along with adequate health and sanitation facility lead to quality improvement in human capital. So form of human capital. So for what they are saying, so we need to do expenditure on health. That's why you can see this in most of the organization. They have like in our school hostel doctor ஒருத்தர் இருப்பாரு பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? So when we will say, sir, I'm not feeling well, okay, you could just go and consult our school doctor. Okay, like that. Every organization they have in their office or in their company, they have a doctor, nurse, and they will do often. Have you all remember in our school they will do injections? இல்லையா? போட்டிருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் இல்லையா? They will do injections and they will do
Yes,
what
sir.
they will give you. They will give you injections. They will often come and check your teeth. Some dentist will check your teeth, and some people from eye hospital they will make a camp in our school or some other organization. They will check all your eye power. If it is vaccine, okay, COVID shield, Covaxin, and I think last when I think last May, I think May, no, March, I think we got a COVID shield. Okay, a school from government, they came to our school, they gave vaccination to all the teachers. So these are all the things expenditure made on a human being. Okay, so that good health will make them a healthy life. When they are healthy, their productivity is good. Okay, healthier and the only not only for the what a employee will get benefit, both the employee and owner. Okay, so how? Because when employee is healthy, he will work more. And he can work with good stamina, and the quality of work also will be very good. So that what happen here, and the owner or else the employer will make money with that. Okay, so both are get benefited, and also society also will get benefits. The forms of health expenditure, various forms of health expenditure include what? preventive Preventive medicines like vaccine. Now we are doing Covaxin Shield. Then cr- creative medicine. That is medical intervention during illness when they are not feeling well. Okay, they will give medical uh, facility. Then social medicine, spread of healthy literacy. Okay, so have you all seen the Teasa Yoga vehicle
Yes, sir.
ஒரு மெடிக்கல் வேன் ஒன்று இருக்கும் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Only one person. What about others? So they have medical van and a library also. So mobile library, mobile. Okay, so so this kind of medical vehicles. Okay, so they will do often as they will do it as a social service. Okay, in rural areas. So he'll have a mobile. So it's a free cleaning. Okay, fine.